Hey guys, my name is Ricardo Liborio. We're here at Century Martial Arts, filming some Century BJJ drills, positions, and submissions, all right? Today we work on the frame guard, and a couple of sweeps and submissions come from there. Have Kevin here helping me with today. And Kevin, come over here for a second. Now, starting to close guard. Now, don't forget this. This is one of the most important things that you have to realize is where's his grips are and what kind of grips I'm going to have it. If Kevin's here and he has a really good posture, I want to try to break his grip to create more, be more tight and be one step ahead of him, if I want to try to put my legs in. Now, in this case, I'm going to show you a very easy, but actually very efficient way to break the grip. He got a very good grip here as a strong guy. I grab across, my hand goes inside, and right here, I lock right in my wrist. You hold it tight. What I'm doing is I'm going to break the grip right here. I pop it up. This is what work when he grabs the collars and when he grabs the belts too. Put your hands in the belt like this. I'm come inside, gap across, pull it up a little bit, put my hand on the wrist, and pop it, right? Let's go back again. So right here, he's so strong in a position. It's hard to break. I'm trying to come over here. It's hard to break. I gap across, go under, and hand and the wrist here as a lock. He's going to keep it tight, break it. Now, transfer to the other hand. Now, from here, this is what's going to be the frame guard. I bring my legs inside and position my foot on his hip. There's tons of sweeps and positions from here, especially submissions, okay? Right now, I just want you guys to just get to this position. One more time. He's working, he's hard, he's strong in a position. I'm trying to bring him in, it's really hard to go. I grab across, the hand goes in, I pop it. Immediately, I feed the other hand, get the frame guard, okay? Let's turn this way here so people can see it, maybe get a different detail. Like I said, I'm here, his trot posture, he's a super strong guy. I grab across, hand under, control the wrist, I pop it, feed the hand, Kevin here's gonna start moving, boom. My foot goes in the hip. I hope you guys can see the details right here, right? I'm gonna be pushing him. There's tons of things that I can do it from here. Right now, I'm just gonna keep it tight as much as you can, right? If you can't try to break this grip, I just keep it tight, close to my body. Don't open too much. Don't give it a chance, and just keep it from here, all right? In a sequence, he can do a lot of stuff, but right now it's just that, okay? Just keep it in a frame guard, all right, guys? So this is a presentation of the frame guard. Now we're going to be passing on in a couple other positions, starting from submission and the omoplata.